Yep, I'm recording.
Okay, so the Dear Mr. Fantasy, the chords A, sus, G, D, with or without the sus, either or, A, in the lid. The D with the sus. That's the verse, that's the gist, that's most of the whole song. And then the chorus part goes F sharp minor, 2nd fret, like an E minor shape rather than a major shape. So F minor, F sharp minor, excuse me, to A. 3 times. F sharp minor to E, and then 1, 2, 3, lick. And the lick happens every time when you're playing this. So that's how that whole thing goes. Now, the other thing we did is we improvised to it using
A minor
pentatonic scale. And what we did, one of the things we did with this A minor pentatonic scale is we played that same lick here. I'm starting with my ring finger on the 7th fret of the 5th string, and I play right up the scale. Then I play this note that I bend with my index finger on the 5th fret of the 3rd string. It's a C note. And remember that bend? Look how little my fingers move. They don't go every time they play. Lift, and when I bend this is really important. My finger is approaching the string from that angle. It's not from that angle like a bitch slap. It's not from that angle like pointing right at it. I love that bitch slap because people do that all the time. It's like, don't bitch slap it. Oh shit, I guess I shouldn't because it doesn't sound good. So I'm not even doing this. I'm doing this. I've got it pointed downward. And when I do this, remember you heard me doing this? I don't know if that's going to come over the phone, but you can hear my fingernail scraping this fretboard with this. That's because I've got my finger so bent, it's coming back down on the string. It's not coming straight in it, it's coming down. And so all I have to do is go like this with my bent finger a little bit, which is really, that's way stronger than that or that. This is just barely kind of doing it. And that's as much with my hand almost. It's all using all this part of my hand rather than just my finger, especially not just my fingertip. You don't go with your hand, but still, this gets your hand in play here, and it makes it stronger when you bend that. So that's again that. The other place we played it was, what note's this?
E.
G. A string. And what chord's that?
C.
So what note's that?
C.
So I go. And it doesn't really matter the name of the notes, but what matters here is I'm on this scale you play 8, 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5. That lick on these little strings is the 2 little strings where you go 8 and 5. There's 3 places you can play that lick and learn that lick, and that's a good blues lick, and
like it.
It's a really cool thing to learn.
Okay.
So that's the whole thing.
All right. Thank you so much.